Age, age, age. Hayat yeah. 1,000 appellations, words give palpitations. No denomination, he's of the demon nation. No by names, no epithets, true like facts. I screw like artifacts, ancient horror show. Honorific cognomen, hoes call him raw fucking goblin. Impact of his axe is cracked hips and messy gaps. A gaggle of birds, a flock of the worst. With the disorderly I'm terse, but playful. An aberration, a presence, the manifestation of deadly hesitance. The emergence of a phantom insurgent. I move, she pinches her smooth. The appearance of sin, a phantasmic white. Came to give her a shady irreverent night. A spooky specter, a ghostly pussy corrector. Fingers, her body movement lingers. Put through the ringer, she a decent singer. I didn't really pick her well, mostly just a common mackerel. Got it real visceral, she looking despicable as hell. Oh well, give her a smidgen of a listen, then I'm pissing off. Another smitten pigeon, real pissed off. Women of prison, much like religion. A fiction, a friction, empty promises, a tradition of hidden intentions, engine manipulation. I'm relenting, hot or frigid, I try not to listen and just focus on the kitten. By the smelly sea smells of seashells, I'm feeling real well. Crackling fire and cackling crooks, I'm continually receiving little double looks. I'm a pine log, chopped northern kind of slugging spewer. A paranoia skewer, multi-hewer, known to make her pooch and chewer. Do and redoer, a slick cooler.